So I asked you guys what your favorite side dish was to take to a barbecue party or a potluck, and so many of you said potato salad and asked if I would do a potato salad for you. So I'm going to show you my classic potato salad that is so perfect for barbecue parties, picnics, any summer get-togethers really. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing my recipes with you. Let me share with you this classic potato salad that is so easy and so delicious. So I am starting off with 2 pounds of russet potatoes. I'm going to peel those potatoes and dice them into some small, about 1-inch cubes. I am going to add these to my pot of water, and then I'm going to add a little bit more water on top so that they're all the way covered, about 1 inch of water covering these potatoes. I'm going to add some salt as well. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to turn it on to low for about 8 minutes and cook these potatoes. So now the potatoes are cooked. I'm going to lay them out on my cookie sheet and let them cool. I'm going to spread them all out, let them cool for about an hour. I don't want them to be warm when I make this potato salad. So I'm adding them into my bowl now. These potatoes are all nice and cooled and they are perfectly tender. You can check them with a fork to just make sure that they're tender enough for your potato salad. So just adding it to my bowl. I'm going to use 1 cup of mayonnaise. For this, I'm going to add in some Dijon mustard. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. You can do a little bit more or a little bit less depending on your preference. I'm going to add in some rice wine vinegar. I have 2 teaspoons that I'm going to add in of this. This is a super simple recipe. It is absolutely delicious. I have a tablespoon of ranch seasoning mix, which anything with ranch seasoning mix is amazing. I'm adding in some salt, some pepper to taste. I'm also going to add in some garlic powder. And like I said, this is to taste, so add in as much as you'd like on those. I'm going to use some bacon crumbles. You can cook your own bacon and dice it up. I love these bacon crumbles from Costco. They are just so good and so easy. So I'm using half a cup of these bacon crumbles, and potatoes and bacon are just some of the best combinations, definitely. So I'm going to give this a big mix, and this potato salad, like I said, it's so simple, it's so easy. It's a huge crowd pleaser. It's a really great side dish to take to a barbecue party or a potluck or a picnic. It is just a really perfect side dish. So I love making this for guests. It always gets tons of great compliments. So once this is all nice and mixed, and you can make this earlier in the day as well for your function. I'm going to garnish with some sliced green onions, and this is ready to go, and it is amazing. So easy. Check the description box for the recipe for this, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes and tons of summer recipes coming out for you. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.